Welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Jodie Johnson, and are you ready for your latest and greatest showcase? It's Christmas! Yeah, it's Christmas. Look at these absolutely stunning freestanding Christmas trees. Yeah. Now in this die set, you are going to get so many dies, you're going to get so many embellishments, but you are going to get two styles of Christmas tree. Yeah. Now I'm going to call this traditional, modern. Okay, because this one's got all the the little skirts on there, absolutely brilliant for hanging all the little embellishments on. But this one to me is more of a traditional Christmas tree. You know, you can imagine that being in green and having all the little leaves on there, absolutely beautiful. But you've got in your collection all these little embellishments. You've got your tags in there. You can see you've got baubles on there. You've got little bows on there. Now, if I bring one in green, you're going to be able to see lots of the little baubles that you're actually getting, yeah, because you've got candy canes in there, really, really pretty. Now, I'm seeing these on the Christmas table, you know, next to each one, and the place setting just sort of nested in between the branches there. Maybe you having a Christmas wedding. These would be brilliant as place settings, yeah, but really, really nice to use, even if you are making them into a greeting card rather than a dimension. You've got your tree on the front there, and then when we open it up, we've got all the little spruces coming out the front there. But aren't they beautiful? Really, really easy to make. Now, if you are going to make a freestanding tree like these, this one's actually got vellum inside. It's very blah-de-da, yeah? All this little sequins on there. Now, all you're going to need is 4 cuts to make these trees, okay? Because if I tilt that up, you see that we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? So I've already got them cut out here, and I have to say, I'm sorry, but I'm going to be using this as a stencil. You know, forget about the Christmas tree element, just using half of it and stenciling through that half on the side of a greeting card would be beautiful in its own right. Maybe stenciling in that direction as well to make it into a DL card. They're just really, really pretty designs. So let's get some glue on the situation. Yeah, so you know me, I like to use it as my beauty regime. So let's just slap it all on there. Now, if you're going to do this, do a patch test. Yeah, I've been doing it for years and years and years. So all we're going to do is we're taking all that detail, and it is a huge amount of detail on there, and we're just going to bring it in, and we're going to place one over the top of the other, mirror imaging that design all the way up to the little star at the top. And I like to do these in 2 sections. So I'm going to put that to one side, and I'm going to bring the other one in. And I'm going to place all my adhesive on there. Once again, I'm going to place this over the top of that one. Just level all that up, give it a little bit of a tweak, and then I'm going to fold this back on itself now so that I've got a rough sort of flat edge to work with. Okay, so let's bend its feet out of the way. Get your twinkle toes out there. There we go. So we've got that flat surface. So let's get some more adhesive on this situation. We're going to put some more glue coming up the back of that one, and then also on the other one as well. Just bringing that all the way down, and then I'm just going to come in, I'm just going to put it across the bottom of that foot there. And I can see that I've got no glue there, so let's get some more so it doesn't escape. There we go. And then I'm simply going to bring my other one in, find which way I've stuck it. So I've stuck it that way. So then I'm going to bring all that in. Let's have you level all that side up, making sure that that's all level, going down there. Stick my little foot into there. Let's have you. There you go, sweetie. You know, if you talk to something, it works so much better. So let's bring. That's all right. You were laughing across there. It's true. So
yeah, that's how Simon gets me to do all the work I do. Just calls me sweetie and lets me get on with it.
So let's just level all that up, because it is going to be a mirror image. So all the way up there, and that is how you're going to get your little 3-dimensional Christmas tree. Isn't it beautiful? It's so detailed. Now you too can get your hands on the latest showcase and start your Christmas journey. Now if you are a TCK user, that's one of our craft kits, you can get 10% off this, because this is going out at $34.99 UK price, or $36.99 for everybody in the US. Now don't forget, you can also split the cost. You can use ClearPay, you can use ShopPay, and you can also use PayPal as well. So don't forget, please share your makes, subscribe. We love to nosy at what you are making. Me personally, I like to look at your craft desks as well, but get a hold of one of these and you can make all these beautiful examples with no issue or whatsoever. So click that button, subscribe, and I shall see you later. Bye.